Hey you fabulous people, welcome back to my channel Keeping It Raw with Aditi. This is Aditi Redkar this side, and you may wonder why am I all dolled up and what is this sound in the background. So me and my family are heading for a mini vacation. So let's start straight into the video. And this is all the chaos. Mommy, are you excited?
Hi.
Mommy is looking all pretty. Disha, are you excited?
Yes.
Very much.
Yeah, bro.
Shejal is already ready to
I'm
go.
ready.
Okay, so we are all set and ready to roll. Okay, so we have already reached our destination, and that is Malvan, and now I get inside. Yes. Okay guys, so now we are here for lunch at Bamboo Restaurant, that is in Malvan. And Ami khat chicken thali, so I'll show you how the food is and how it tastes. And we are very hungry, and after that we'll be heading to water activities. So I'm super excited, and don't mind the chaos because we are all very hungry. Okay, so आमची थाळी आली आहे आणि we have already started eating because आम्हाला खूप भूक लागली होती. And this is the surmai thali. This is the chicken thali and vade, and we had also got chapatis. We have also rice to come with it. Okay, and Sanish is also having surmai. That is kingfish. Is it yummy?
Yes.
Okay guys, now we are all dressed up और हम जा रहे हैं
Scuba.
This is one of my bucket list and it's getting completed, so I'm super excited. Let's see how it is and what the adventure holds for us. I'm super excited. And we are almost at our destination. How are you feeling? I'm good. We are so scared and excited at the same time. And here it's very weird because we can take the car literally on the beach. That is not what we do in our state. This is crazy. The water is legit so near to me. I'll show you that. Can you see that? The water is just literally there, like a few steps away from our car. It's super crazy.
The tide can just take us a minute.
Yeah, true. Okay guys, so we are in the boat and now we are going for parasailing. I'm super excited, and you can see behind me is this beautiful beach, and these are all my cousins. Guys, are you excited? Yes! We are in the parasailing boat and I'll show you guys. They are all prepping for the sail and he's going first from our boat. How are you feeling after watching him? Are you scared? I am scared. Okay, so we are done with our ride, and I went with Sanish because he wanted to go, and all these people went single. How did y'all enjoy? Was it fun? Was it fun? Yes. It was because of the motor of the boat. Can't hear properly, but it was fun. There are more people doing there, as you can see. There is nothing to be fear of. डरने की कोई बात नहीं है. It's just a piece of cake. Just go and it's. Okay guys, now we are on our next ride, that is scuba, and all of us are going. Everybody say hi!
Hi!
You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy? Please go easy on me, baby.
Done with scuba diving, and how was your experience, Ajal?
It was good. Eardrums are, I don't know what's.
It was good, but it was not clear. We could see some fishes, but nothing more than that. The reef was not that clear. Mama, what do you think about it?
My experience that I have seen all of you sometimes not in the comfortable position and taking too much time to drown inside the water.
It's a little scary, but you have to have the control on your breath, and that's
Next
it.
time I think you it was little better.
Yes.
Masi was scared that we were going.
No.
She was very confident.
Very good.
And behind us, we are seeing the Sindhudurg
sunset.
fort, so I'll show you. More of our passengers who did not go scuba diving, Didi went. Say hi. This is the beautiful sunset and the beautiful Sindhudurg fort. Now we are going for other rides. That's banana ride, disc ride, and jet ski. So let's see how that goes. बालों की हालत वगैरह सब टाइट है, but look at this beautiful sunset behind me. It's so pretty. I don't know if you all can hear me because बहुत शोर है, plus breeze भी इतनी तेज चल रही है. But all in all, I had a great day.
Send message after message, forward my calls. Next day you hit me back like nothing happened at all. What about all the things you used to say to me? This ain't the way it's supposed to be.
Good morning you guys. It is the next day and कल हम लोग बहुत ही थक गए थे, so I forgot to end the vlog. And today now we are out for a boat safari at Chimla beach and we'll see a few points through this boat safari. हम लोग बहुत जल्दी उठे and now we are heading. Our boat is yet to come, so we're just having breakfast and then we'll be going for the safari.
You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy?
Now we have got down on this island from our boat and it's really pretty out here. The beaches here are very different from what we have in Goa and the tides are nice. How was the ride? Vaibhav, how was the ride? Little bumpy. Yeah, some of us were nauseous, but it is good. And this island is full of rocks as you can see and it's not very humid and hot. जैसे like if I tell you Konkani, जैसे गोयान खूप गरम जाता पण तसे हांगा गोयान I mean हांगा इतले गरम ना, humid ना, it's hot but not humid. After we have come to have lunch at Konkan Fusion restaurant because we were a little tired with the regular fish and the thali, which is not that great. The masala is not what we suit. So here there was like Chinese and other things available. So we are eating over here and then we'll see what to do. We are not sure. In the morning, ride was very nice actually, very bumpy as I said, but the view was good and value for money is really good over here because it was charging 300 per person, but it is really nice. Okay, so we're done with the lunch and we are here at the jetty to board a boat to go see the Sindhudurg fort. This beach is also really nice. It's the same belt and different beaches at different points. The beaches here have different characters. Like this is a very slow and peaceful beach. The morning one was little like the waves are hitting hard. The one we went yesterday was also a very nice one and the sand here is not very porous. Like Goa में क्या है कि जैसे आप पैर रखोगे मिट्टी में अंदर चला जाएगा, मतलब सैंड में, तो इसकी वजह से देख पार्क द कार ऑल्सो राइट, यू कैन सी दिस डिस्टेंस इज सो स्मॉल एंड शायद इस वजह से उनको आदत है ये मतलब गोवा पे बीच में कार लेके आने का वगैरह, बट हियर इज ऑल ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई पीपल पार्क इट आई मीन सो नियर. एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सी Shivaji Maharaj fort and I'll see you all from there. This is the entry to the jetty and then we'll have to buy a ticket and board the boat for the Sindhudurg fort. The jetty and the killa is right behind us and now we are going to get down. The water is very high tide, has a high tide and enjoying it.
Send message after message, forward my calls. Next day you hit me back like nothing happened at all. What about all the things?
This is the Sindhudurg fort and this is the entry for it and here is the boat parking, so let's go inside and explore the fort. Look at the walls, they are so high. Hi Sanish. Hi, Mama.
Hi. This is the way to the Shivaji Maharaj footprints, hand and footprints.
Yes, let's go and see. So we have come inside the Killa. It is very hot, guys. Today is very hot. This is the proud Maratha Jhanda from this fort. And let's go more on top. There is one more floor. So अभी हम इधर जा रहे हैं. थोड़ा tiring है, but must है, worth it. Look at this room, which we can enter. What is this place? Insane architecture. So Mama will explain how we came. Mama, can you start?
We came from Chivla Bridge
Okay.
by boat and landed here. From here we entered inside.
Okay.
There was a Shivaji Maharaj footprint here. From here we moved on the top of the fort.
Okay.
And along the wall we moved from here, from this location until the half of the fort. Up to here. From here we just came back. And now we are marching towards.
Center.
No, we did not come here. We have gone up to this location, up to here.
Okay.
And from here we came
Yes.
by
yes.
this way to reach the Mahadev temple here, Shivaji temple here.
Now we are heading out.
This is our location at present.
Okay. Wow. We did lots. Good morning, guys. It is our last and third day in Malvan, and now we'll be leaving soon. In the morning, we got up and had a bath in the beach. Then now we're having tea, and we'll be leaving soon for Goa. As soon as we entered Goa, we had lunch at this restaurant because we were super hungry, and we were so happy to find our Goan fish curry. Our stomachs were full, and the trip had come to an end. Thank you for watching.